Hello and welcome back into my channel. So today in this video we are going to open this box. So this is the Amazon versus I'm going to open this box. So let's see what is inside this. So this is actually a ventilation fan. We are going to open this, so you can use this for your kitchen, this fan for kitchen, bathroom. So we are going to open this bag now. So this is from Luminous Vento Deluxe. So the dimension, so this is a 150 millimeter, 150 mm. You can see with this. So you can see this is luminous fans. So this is a 250 volt power AC power fan. So this is a motor. So this is the motor, this is the propeller fans, and one spring is there for this. Again here also, this is not a gravitational, but there is one spring. So this is the fan. So this is a perfect size fan. I am going to now test this fan. So this is the wire. So let's give the switch. You can see how this is running. This is very perfect size fan. So that's all for our today's video. I'll put all the information link in my video description. So thanks.